Hi everybody! You should all be started Unit 2 now. I like to think this course gets better as you go along, so hopefully you guys are enjoying it to this point, and it does get more interesting, I think, for sure. So I just wanted to go over a few things, give you some more tips and tricks on how to progress through the course. I hope everybody gets now how the exit quizzes work. Everybody should be reading the news feed every time you log on. So if you miss a day, go back and read anything that you would have missed. I'm going to start adding a little bit more information and points to kind of keep you guys on track into that news feed, okay? Another thing is I try and mark stuff pretty quickly, and you should be getting updates in your notification box here when you have a feedback file. Definitely go in and read that so you know how to improve for next time, kind of know what your marks are and whatnot. When you guys submit stuff to the Dropbox, it's also going to send you an email about like a Dropbox submission receipt or something like that. Delete those right away, okay? So that way when I do send you emails, you can see that notification here and you'll know that it's something important you need to read. So keep that clean inbox by deleting all those submission receipts, okay? And you can find stuff easier in your email box. I hope everybody's printed off the calendar for the due dates for March. You can print it off here, or again, the whole course is laid out for you with all the due dates here as well. Okay, so access those. And maybe that's all I'm going to say for now. Keep it short, okay? Now, I will say again, if you have any questions or concerns, reach out, guys. Send me an email, send me a page. You can even phone the school here if you'd rather talk to me and I can help you out with stuff. Yeah, I'm here to support you, so don't be shy. Okay, bye.